Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to undo in ClickUp. First thing you will have to do in order to undo is to delete something. So let's say you have made a mistake and deleted this task. Now in order to undo it, you can do it right here. So click on this undo button. But if this window has disappeared and you don't see it anymore, then you have to go right here, click on settings, down here and into trash, and here you should see all of your deleted tasks and spaces and all of the things. Click right here and press restore. Now your tasks and all of the things will be restored. So basically you did undo this deletion. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.